There is a new partnership emerging between Chief Information Officers and Chief Supply Chain Officers. Based on our recent CIO and Chief Supply Chain Officer studies, both executives are aligned on the top challenges facing supply chains. These include end-to-end visibility, risk management, cost containment, increasing customer demands, and globalizations. Based on our recent CIO survey, CIOs are not only aware of these challenges, but are actively working by leveraging technology to find solutions to these problems. Successful CIOs are leveraging technology to enable smarter supply chains. By instrumented, we mean supply chains that leverage emerging technologies like sensors and actuators, RFID, etc., to capture real-time edge-of-network events and passing them on to an interconnected supply chain backbone, based on which we can use intelligence to run analytics and make the supply chain more predictive as opposed to reactive. A key area where CIOs are playing an important role in enabling smarter supply chain is the whole area of interconnectivity. By leveraging emerging systems architectures and technologies, CIOs are enabling the supply chain to be interconnected from an end-to-end perspective so that there is seamless transfer of information throughout the supply chain, both inter-enterprise as well as intra-enterprise. The next generation of technologies will revolve around exploiting advanced analytics to transform the supply chain from a static supply chain to a more dynamic supply chain. And this is consistent with the recent CIO survey, where CIOs ranked business analytics as the #1 opportunity area to transform their enterprises. Examples of how companies are leveraging advanced analytics to transform their supply chains include dynamic inventory optimization, which basically means leveraging demand patterns to optimize your inventory levels, aligning supply and demand based on demand signals, real-time demand signals from customers, using analytics to model and monitor supply chain risk, using analytics to make supply chains more predictive based on real-time event monitoring, and finally, using analytics to make supply chains more flexible. And by flexible, I mean product flexibility, process flexibility, and network flexibility. To make the smarter supply chain a reality, CIOs and Chief Supply Chain Officers need to collaborate to create an adaptable business process model that is supported by a robust and intelligent technical infrastructure, and have the tools needed to analyze the mountains of data that is being generated in the enterprise on a daily basis.